Hello guys! Kumusta kayo dyan? Good morning! Guys, na ako guys. Please lang guys, mag-subscribe and like lang guys ha. Alam nyo bitaw guys. Ako na mag-isagyo. Wala akong kasama. Diba? Kaya nyo yan? Diba? At saka, ano lang kami guys. Kita nyo to guys. Diba walang tao? Oh guys, no. Uy, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Kayamanan guys. Kayamanan guys. Ito nyo yan guys. Isayaw. Kayamanan guys. Nakita ko yan doon guys. Sa labasan guys. Meeting. Ay, nakita ko. Kayamanan. Gusto mo makita drawing ko guys. Yaw mo guys ha. Wait lang guys. Talagay guys. Okay guys. Ito na guys. Nakita na to. Ano pala ng bata ako guys. Nag-drawing ako ng Vegeta. Ngayon, ito pa rin. Bata pa rin ako. Pangit talaga drawing ko guys. Ito guys na. Ito na drawing ko guys. Ito na drawing ko guys. Drawing ko ng drawing guys. Matuto na ako mag-drawing guys. Kaya kayo guys. Drawing kayo ng drawing nito. Ano to guys? Frieza. Ano yun guys? Frieza to guys. Frieza. Meron pa guys. Diba? Vegeta guys. Guys. Mag-subscribe kayo nito kung nagustuhan nyo. And like. Ito guys. Superhero guys. Laro ko to guys. Ano ako to guys. Bata pa ako guys. Drawing ko to araw-araw guys. Nawala lang yung drawing ko guys. Pasensya na talaga. Maganda yun guys. Ganda talaga. Tsaka guys. Ano tayo guys. Alam nyo yun guys. Guys. Sino to guys? Sino to? Si Teddy to guys. Mr. Bean. Ito naman. Sino to? Sino to guys? Sino to? Alamin nyo. Mag-comment lang kayo kung sino to. Bye bye. Kita tayo bukas. Hindi naman kayo intindi na bukas. Early in the morning guys. Morning. Because so early in the morning now, in the night, I'm watching some movie. Kaya no watching to me now because I'm watching Jump TV. You know, just wait for me early in the morning because the morning in alam niyo yun guys, you know, you understand me. Bye bye guys, just see you in the morning. Mwah.